Some of my watercolors require a lot of Frisket, or masking fluid.
This is the drawing gum that I use for masking.
In this, you can see the original photo had a lot of gorgeous texture and waves. And when I used the masking fluid, there was way too much for me to use my fingers just to roll it off. So I use this nifty tool called a rubber cement pickup, and it will allow me to just stick every little last ounce of masking fluid to this little rubber piece, and it removes beautifully. It picks up on textures that my fingers wouldn't have necessarily felt, and I don't make unnecessary contact with the paper. It's not good to be putting the oils of your hands, which can transfer to your paper. Here's the finished painting. The product links are below, as well as the original painting is up for grabs on my website. Thanks everyone for watching.